Hey foodies, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Carlina, starring my amazing mom. You guys have asked for her back, and she is back. Today we're going to be making her famous bread pudding. Special.
It's special.
It's a special dessert. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. All right, Mom, so first, what do we have here going on?
Well, what we did was we took a bread, one loaf, we cubed it, cut it into squares, and put it in a bowl.
Yes.
With milk.
Yes. And you can use almond milk, 2%, whole milk, your milk preference.
Yes. And we've got that there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the rest of this. Carlina, we're gonna add the eggs.
Cool, let's do it.
You're gonna be whisking.
Whisking. Does anyone know how to like crack an egg?
Very carefully.
Sure.
Do never use a head.
Wait, so people crack eggs on their head?
You have not seen those comedy shows?
What? Boop. Yeah. Yep. Oh! Yep. Oh! It's perfect too!
Come on, they do it all the time.
In the kitchen, flip it like it's stir fry.
Gonna add some vanilla in there.
This is also how you can make scrambled eggs, guys.
Add some more vanilla.
More vanilla.
Okay, we're gonna add some cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, with the cinnamon, you can either do a half or a quarter. It just depends on how much cinnamon you like.
Half or a quarter. What did you put in there?
I put in a half.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add in the spice. That's a quarter spoon.
I'll let you add that.
Still whisking there, Carlina? Come on, mix it in.
Getting a workout here.
Then we'll add the sugar.
Woo!
Oh, whisk that in.
This is getting really thickened now. This is like, okay, this is the whole body motion. Okay.
Trying to get this out.
You need me to scoop it out?
Yep.
There we go.
There we go. All right, is that mixed well?
Nope, because I just put it in.
While she's doing that, what I've done is we have some melted butter, and I'm gonna go ahead and coat the pan. And all we do is just make sure we get all the sides. Ooh. Yeah, really cool. Look at that. I'm telling you. All right.
Look at that.
How are we doing, Carlina?
Perfection.
Are you
Perfecto.
sure? All right, well, go ahead and add the raisins.
Can you put craisins in here?
I would love to try some craisins in that.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
No, because when it comes to bread pudding, you don't mess up the original recipe. It's like mac and cheese. You stick with it.
I've actually tried it with craisins.
You did? You liked it?
I loved it.
Okay.
So now we're gonna mix it in with the bread. Come on, pour. Woo.
Here we go.
Look at that. Oh. We have preheat the oven at 350.
Okay.
We went to this restaurant and they had bread pudding.
Yes, it was fantastic.
The bread pudding was fantastic. I can tell you what we have not put in this is bourbon.
No bourbon. Because my mom says so. You guys, y'all know I like alcohol. There'd be bourbon in this.
All right, so we've mixed this in. We've coated the pan. And now what we're gonna do is go ahead and pour it in.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa.
All right. And how long are you gonna bake it at?
Between 35 to 45 minutes. And what you do is you watch it to see when it starts to crust. around the edge. But while that's in the oven, we're going to be making the topping for it. All right, so now we have put the bread pudding in the oven. Now we're gonna make the sauce.
Whoop, whoop.
What we need is to melt 1 stick of butter.
Oh my
Look
goodness,
at
that is just sizzling. You want to make sure it's completely melted when it's in the saucepan,
yes.
correct? Okay, cool.
That's correct. But remember, we're gonna add an egg. We're not gonna let it simmer or anything like that, okay?
Okay, and what do you have the heat on right now?
It is on medium.
Perfect. All right, so now I'm giving you the egg, correct?
Yes.
All right.
Pour the egg in. Okay, now the sugar.
Okay. Am I doing it slowly or all at once?
Slowly. Okay.
There we go. I'm good.
Gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
This is a half. Hold on, we got one more for coming for you. Boom.
All right.
So when the sauce, how do you know when the sauce is ready?
It's ready. We're gonna wait until the bread pudding is complete, when it's finished baking after 45 minutes. And then we'll pour this over it.
Oh my gosh. So it's like as soon as it comes right out of the oven, very nice and warm, you're just gonna pour and drizzle that on top.
Yes.
Woo.
And this is also where you can add the bourbon. Not in this one.
I'll add it, y'all.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Make sure you don't let it simmer, because then it will thicken to the point where you really can't do anything with it. So you have to leave it like this. All right, so we'll turn the stove off now because it's ready. And we will let it wait
until the bread pudding comes out of the oven, right?
Yes.
Perfect. While we wait, we're gonna show some great photos of Ollie here on set.
He's having fun.
Oh my gosh, Mom, this looks amazing. We can see the little brown golden crust at the top, and of course, you know, the awesome plating that I like to do, and the consistency. So now we are about to add the sauce.
Yes. And remember, what we're gonna do is just drizzle it over the top.
Oh my gosh. That looks amazing. Look at that. And for those of you who said, you know, like, you gotta add the bourbon to it, that's what I'm gonna do, is add some bourbon. For those of you who like alcohol. All right, for this recipe, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com. Also go to Instagram @cookingwithcarlina. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, foodies.
Bye.